You all in my lane, you ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like a Mignon. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a Bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing filet mignon tacos. So the first thing we're gonna do is break our filet down, our tenderloin, and this is the filet I use for my steak and eggs, and I'm just cutting them into little bitty medallions, and then from them medallions we're gonna marinate them. Now I'll link my video down below to show you my taco seasoning recipe, and you can use that. I didn't use salt in that, and you'll see that when we begin to marinate. So I'm going with some good quality olive oil just to give it some lubrication, and then going with the taco seasoning. And from the taco seasoning, we're then going to begin to season with salt. So I added a little garlic salt, then I added some Kinder salt-free seasoning, and I'm just trying to pack a bunch of flavor on this beef. Then I added more garlic, so granulated garlic, so these things is really garlicky. It's going to be really incredible though. And then for that salty note, we're going to get some Lawry's. So we got the Lawry's and then the garlic salt in there for our salty notes. And then we're going to just mix this thing up. Now, go ahead and mix it up really well. You want it to look kind of like that. You want that seasoning to be on there. Notice we didn't put much salt on there. We just packed a lot of flavor. All right, get your skillet going, and I got some canola oil, and I'm gonna get a high heat, and I'm gonna lay all of the beef in there and just sear it really hard. And that's high heat, really hard sear. And you see that beautiful color on there right there. And you want to do that really hard sear because this is filet, and you want to cook it gently. So you want to get a good hard sear and then take it off, and then go ahead and chop that down. And once you chop that down, we're going to add it back to the pan. See it? And then we're going to add some lime juice just to get that acidic note and to brighten this up. Like, this is a really quick and easy recipe, but these tacos are really, really give you that flair that everybody wants. And then from there, and that's a whole lime that I squeezed on there. We're gonna go ahead and plate it up, and we got some some flour tortillas. If you like corn, you can use corn tortillas. So we're going on with our meat and pile up as much meat on there as you want. Then we're going on with some cheese, and that's Monterey Jack and cheddar mixed together. And then I'm going on with some pico, and I'll link my pico de gallo video down below to give you step by step on making that pico de gallo. And then we're going on with some good quality sour cream, and I just thinned it out with a little buttermilk. And there you have it, man, the most amazing filet mignon tacos. And that was just taking the rest of the filet that I had left over and just utilizing it and making something incredible out of it. And filet tacos are way better than any other tacos because that meat is so good, juicy and tender. But there you have it, man, the most amazing filet mignon tacos from the Bistro. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Thank y'all for checking out my channel. Filet mignon tacos, I'm out.